Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a travel pillow. It arrived after I went on a trip. I'm not sure I'm be able to test it. Here's the instructions on how to use it. What's included in the box. The bag here. Here is a sleep mask. Attaches to it. There's this claw that's stuck to it. Here's a cushion. Pretty nice and soft. Has the instructions on how to attach it. Some clips here. All plastic clips, no metal clips. And I believe that's it. Yep. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.